Hi guys, my name is Kenneth. Please remember to hit the like button, share and subscribe. So today we're looking at a fully furnished house in Kibagabaga. So this house comes with 6 bedrooms and 1 living room. This house comes with an ample parking space and a good garden. So this parking space can accommodate almost 3 cars, and it has a balcony that can have an aerial view of Kigali city, where you can have like a good relaxation. So let's start with the house tour with a nice living room which has nice chandeliers and a TV station that has internet and well connected broadband. The kitchen is fully furnished with nice chandeliers and modern cabinets.